Hi friends, my UKG class student will be reading two letter words. Are you ready, Janvi?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start.
A-S-S A-G-S I-F-E A-P-O-2 Yes-O
So. Do.
Like mine. B E B me. I
Is.